This is our stone paper ABA co-extrusion electric cabinet, and here you can see that is very big. It controls all the parts of the machine, including the extrusion system, the casting system, the forming system, and the winding system. Here is the pressure of the whole system. When it is stable, it cannot change the parameters. This ensures the stability of the whole line. Here you can see the two extruders here. One is 130 millimeters and the other is 90 millimeters. The two extruders consist of our whole extrusion system. Here you can see the double station screen exchanger. It will realize the non-stop of the screen exchange during the whole production. No need the machine to stop to wait for the new screen. And here you can also see the melt pump, the T-die. Here is the whole system of the extrusion for the stone paper. Here is our feature for automatic T-die, which brand is JC Toms, which is China #1 T-die. It can control the thickness automatically, working together with the online thickness controller. Here you can see the online thickness controller here. It scans the thickness of the stone paper, and then it will send the signal feedback to the T-die. And the T-die once get the signal, and it will adjust the thickness itself. So that is the automatic thickness controller and adjustment system. Now we are making the thickness 0.066 millimeters, and here the screen can show the parameters of the thickness, and you can see the tolerance is very small. As time goes by, it will become much smaller. And here they will send the signal to the T-die, and the T-die will adjust the thickness into much better effect here. No need engineers to stay here to adjust. Here is our very important part, MDO unit, and inside the rollers are very hot oil to forming the shape of the stone paper, and it will make it with better hardness for you to write on. Here we have the 5 groups of the rollers to form the stone paper and make it with very good effect. And here we have a emergency stop stream, which you pour it and it will stop. And workers can manage or can check the paper effect and also make some adjustment here. Here we can see from the other side of our MDO unit, here with the 5 group rollers to make it with better shape and hardness. This is our chrono device. It is necessary for you if you want to have some printing function. Here, if you have this chrono device, and the paper surface will be rough, and it will be better for you to print on the surface. Here you can see 8 knives, and our client has special requirement for the weight of different stone paper, so they ask to equip the knives here. Knives can not only cut the weight you want, it can also cut the side material. It is very good equipment for you. The side side material will be recycled here and into our crusher. The crusher will make the stone paper side material into powder. This is our full automatic window system, and here no need workers to stay here all time, and it can change the rows automatically and cut the stone paper automatically. Here is all the brief introduction for our stone paper making machine. The width of the whole machine is 1,900 millimeters, and the final stone paper film width is 1,400 millimeters, and the tolerance can be only 3%. And so that is a brief introduction. If you have more interest, you can contact us by the email below and WhatsApp below, and we can show you more information.